A day in the life of an American woman. English speaking practice. Meet Emily Carter, a 28-year-old graphic designer living in Los Angeles, California. She loves coffee, yoga, and exploring new places in the city. Emily's alarm rings at 7 a.m. She groans and reaches for her phone. Emily: ugh, just 5 more minutes. But she knows she has a busy day ahead, so she gets up and stretches. After a refreshing shower, she puts on her workout clothes and heads to a nearby yoga studio. At the studio, her instructor, Lisa, smiles at her. Lisa: good morning, Emily. Ready for a great session? Emily: absolutely. I need this to wake up. After an hour of yoga, Emily feels energized. She walks to her favorite cafe, Bean and Brew, and orders her usual. Emily: hi, can I get an iced vanilla latte and an avocado toast, please? Barista: sure. That'll be $8.50. Emily: here you go. Thanks. She sits by the window, enjoying the sunshine while checking her emails. Her boss, Mr. Jackson, has sent a message about an important design project. Boss: hey, Emily, we need the new website design ready by tomorrow. Can you make sure it's on track? Emily: got it. I'll send you an update by this afternoon. With her coffee in hand, she heads back home to start work. Emily works as a remote graphic designer, so she sets up her laptop and starts designing. She has a video call with her coworker, Jake, to discuss the project. Jake: hey, Emily, how's it going? Emily: pretty good. Just making some final tweaks on the design. Jake: awesome. Can you send me the updated version? Emily: sure. Give me 10 minutes. As she works, she plays soft music in the background. After 2 hours of deep focus, she takes a break and makes a quick smoothie. Emily: all right, time for a snack. Banana and peanut butter smoothie it is. By 1 p.m., Emily is ready for a lunch break. She meets her best friend, Sophie, at a trendy vegan restaurant. Sophie: hey girl, you look great. Emily: aw, thanks. So do you. It's been ages. They order food and chat about life. Sophie: how's work been? Emily: busy but exciting. I'm working on a huge website redesign. Sophie: that sounds amazing. You're so talented. After a delicious meal, they decide to walk around the city for a bit. Emily: let's check out that new bookstore across the street. Sophie: yes, I love bookstores. Emily finishes work by 6 p.m. and decides to go for a drive along the beach. She listens to her favorite playlist and enjoys the cool breeze. Then she stops at a small sunset cafe and orders a tea. Emily: can I get a chamomile tea, please? Barista: of course. Enjoy the sunset. She sits outside, watching the sky turn pink and orange. It's the perfect way to unwind. Later, she heads home, changes into her comfy pajamas, and calls her mom. Emily: hey, Mom, how was your day? Mom: hi, sweetie. It was great. I baked your favorite cookies. Emily: oh no, now I'm craving them. Send me some? Mom: of course, honey. After chatting, Emily relaxes with a Netflix show and a bowl of popcorn. By 11:30 p.m., she's ready for bed. Emily: time to sleep. Can't wait for another adventure tomorrow. She turns off the lights, closes her eyes, and drifts into a peaceful sleep. Key English-speaking phrases from the story. Good morning. Ready for a great session? Can I get an iced vanilla latte, please? How's work been? That sounds amazing. You're so talented. Let's check out that new bookstore. Can I get a chamomile tea, please? Time to sleep. Can't wait for another adventure tomorrow. Practice these sentences in your daily conversations. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment box below. Would you like more stories like this? Thanks for joining us. See you in the next story.